What's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be taking the battery off the cord and I'm gonna be putting the Mustang battery on the cord, see if it has a little bit more juice to turn on, because right now the cord battery is not pretty much strong enough to turn itself on. So you can see got not that much juice, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch the battery and hopefully it does something. And I'm gonna take the batteries off the cord in the Mustang. Okay, we took out the battery of the Mustang, put it on the cord. We got the cord battery over there, and we're gonna try giving it a crank. Hopefully it does anything. Let's try it out. As you can see. Okay, as you can see, the cord battery is back on the cord. The Mustang battery is back on the Mustang, and I tried the Mustang battery because it's a little bit stronger, and hopefully it would turn it on. I'd done it one day, and it helped it, but not for a long time. So it was worth a try. But my last issue is the wiring issue on the cord. Something simple like a wire, that's what I'm thinking. Cause I already put a brand new fuel pump, new fuel filter, but all that was working, so that's my last option. If not, I'm gonna be putting a new engine on this. I'm gonna be throwing a H22 on it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and respect all builds.